You know what ticks me off? What really yanks my nose hairs? People who don't appreciate a good sneeze. They just don't know how to make a sneeze fun. Once you feel it coming, you look for the nearest bystander and... Achoo! Now they're enjoying a complimentary snot shower. But sometimes you've got to be polite and sneeze into your hand. Well, this is where the real fun comes in. Disposal. If you see someone you don't like, you slip them the old, "Nice to see you." And now your problem is their problem. Oh, and what do you do if nobody's around? No, I'm not going to eat it. I'm an ogre, not a troll. That's just disgusting. I like to watch it dry. Oh, there it goes.
Wait, don't forget to subscribe. If you do, I'll give you a headbutt. That's ogre for thank you.